Hello, good morning. How are you all? Have you all learned and revised the previous lessons thoroughly? Right? Children, suppose your mama is asking you to go out today. What will you do first? You will select the best and neat clothes from your cupboard, isn't it? So today you are going to learn about clothes in EVS. Lesson number 6, clothes. Children, we wear different kind of clothes according to the seasons and occasions. We have mainly three type of seasons like summer, winter and rainy seasons. Now we will learn about the clothes that we wear according to the season. Children, which season you have here now? Is it hot or cold? It's hot now. Then this is summer season. So what type of clothes we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes. And why are we wearing cotton clothes? Which helps us to keep very cool. We sweat a lot in summer season. So we need to have some cool effect. So when you wear cotton clothes, it keep us cool and make us feel comfortable. After the summer season, the winter season has come, which makes us feel very cold. In winter season, you will feel very cold. To protect from this cold, what type of clothes we should wear? We should wear woolen clothes. When we wear woolen clothes, it keeps ourselves warm. What are the different types of woolen clothes we wear in winter season? Sweater, cap, gloves, coats, socks, etc. we wear in winter season to protect from extreme cold. After enjoying the cold weather, next the rainy season has come. All the children love the season very much. Why? Because we all want to play and enjoy in the rain. But sometimes we do not want to get wet also in the rain. So we used to wear raincoats and gumboots, and we may also carry an umbrella while going in the rain. So why are we wearing raincoats and gumboots? It keeps ourselves dry. So we should make sure to change our clothes if it is wet. Now let's learn about special clothes. In schools and some offices, people wear some special set of clothes. These are called uniform. Students wear uniform when they go to school. But uniforms are not to be worn at home. People working in the police, military, and hospitals also wear different uniforms. It shows a sense of unity and identity. We should always make sure that our clothes are clean and tidy. Next, now let's understand where do we get our clothes from. We get cotton by obtaining cotton fibers from cotton plant which is turned into yarn is used to make clothes. We get wool from the fleece of a sheep. Fleece means the woolly coat of a sheep, which is turned into yarn, is used to make the fabrics. Then we get silk by obtaining silk from the silkworm, which is turned into silk threads. After further processing of all these type of threads gives us fibers, which is used to make the clothes.
We all wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. They also make us look smart. Clothes are of different kinds. Some clothes keep us cool and some keep us warm. Clothes for different seasons. We wear clothes according to seasons. It is hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. We use raincoats and umbrellas to keep us dry when we go out in the rain. It is cold during winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Other clothes. School children wear their uniforms. Some people also wear uniforms according to their professions. Making of clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes. Clothes are made from fibers. We get fibers from cotton plants, sheep, and silkworms. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworms. Cotton, wool, and silk are called natural fibers. Shirts, saris, bed sheets, etc. are made from cotton. Wool is used to knit clothes like sweaters, caps, and socks. Silk is used to make clothes like sari, salwar kameez, shirt, etc. Today many fibers are made in factories by machines. These fibers are also used for making clothes. These are called man-made fibers. Nylon, rayon, terracotta, polyester, etc. are man-made fibers. Many dress materials are made from these fibers. Man-made fibers last longer than natural fibers. Besides clothes, fibers are also used to make other things. For example, carpets and curtains are made from both natural and man-made fibers. People in different parts of our country wear different types of clothes. People in other countries also dress differently. Care of clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Clean clothes keep us healthy. We should wash our clothes properly when these get dirty. We should iron our clothes. If we take proper care of our clothes, these will last longer. We should keep our clothes in a clean place. We should store clothes properly when these are not in use.
Now we have learned that we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes according to the seasons. We get the materials from plant and animal to make the clothes. You know, plastic or rubber are used to make umbrellas, raincoats, and gumboots. We also wear night wears at home. As I explained earlier, we wear special clothes on special occasions. Clothes that we wear on weddings and parties are called formal clothes. Now, we all must wear clean, comfortable, and well ironed clothes. So, this is for today's class. The next class we will continue next day. Thank you and have a nice day.